Here we go. Monday Mega Bandits Early Bird Special College Basketball Edition. Friday, February 10th. Kent State versus Buffalo. 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Be sure to subscribe, click the bell icon, support the channel. It's good karma for you. Kent State versus Buffalo. Half unit play only. You look for Bandits premium plays, games Bandits betting on each day. Money Recommended Sports at gmail.com. PayPal, Money Recommended, only under $25 USD monthly package deal. It's a great deal. All sports plus free coaching. Kent State versus Buffalo. Money Recommended playing Kent State on the money line. Full game. Money Recommended, choo choo.